Hi, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this light bulb. Well, it's not a light bulb, it actually is a camera. And that's kind of neat because it can plug into a regular plug or into a light socket. And that's exactly how we're going to plug it in here because it works as that and it can also work as a light. I'm going to show you how to pair that up and why it's so cool. All right, you're going to download the Easy Cloud app, which is pretty simple to do. There's instructions in the instruction guide. And then you're going to pair it to your camera. Again, it was a pretty simple process. And I've got it on right now, and it's actually filming down here beneath the cabinet. And I'll show you if you want to come on over here and look. It's got a picture of that basket there. I'm going to go ahead and put this plug right down here so that you can kind of see the quality of it there. Now that'll kind of show you what we can do here. It's got a lot of different features. You can look to the left or to the right, pan 360-degree tilt with that guy up and down. You've got a way to do high definition or standard definition. Currently it's standard. You can switch it to high def on there. It takes it a second. It'll kick it into high def. And then you can also switch it back to standard definition if you didn't want it to record as much in depth. You've got a cool light feature on here if this is using it for a device outside so you can see. You can turn on the light. And I'm going to show you what that looks like at night here in a minute. But we're going to turn that off. You've got a two-way talk. We're probably going to get a little feedback, but I'll kind of show you what that can do. Hello. Yeah, it's a two-way talk feature with that, so you can do that. You can take a picture, a snapshot, and allow it to have access to your photos. You can record a video with that, bring it out full screen if you wanted to view it full screen, or you can also take it and zoom it up to 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, 8 times view. And we're looking at a 4 times view there. If we go to high definition on that guy, it clears it up quite a bit at 4 times zoom in, so you can really get some detail in there, which is pretty neat. So all in all, a lot of cool features. Let's turn off the lights. So I've turned off the lights. It actually activated a night vision mode, so it's actually got night vision now that's on the camera, so it would view that at night. It's really dark in here. If you were to turn on the light, again, it's going to look like this. Kicks on the light and then turns it where you can actually see it. I'm going to turn off the light again. Immediately goes back to night vision mode. I'll turn it back on one more time so you can see it on the camera side down there, how it comes on. And even with that, you can rotate it around and pretty cool. All in all, it's a great little camera that fits anywhere that you've got a light, and it doesn't even require wires.